Let's create a customized window tag or dog tag. Let's select this. Normally, what your window tag will show you is the type mark. Now, what we want to show is the type name and the family name. Okay, start. Here in the annotate, tag by category, automatically Revit will show a default tag, select, and then edit family. Now, once you are here, we need to put the space for the family name and the type name. So click label, click here in the empty space. So at the bottom, let's put here the type name. Okay, apply, and okay. Then press escape, and then select this, edit label, and we will replace this by the family name. And then let's remove this type mark here. Apply, okay. And then just drag this. Then select this by using the arrow keys, put it on the center. Okay. And then load into project. Overwrite the existing version and its parameter values. So now your window will show what type of window that you have used in Revit and the size of it. So the same with the door. Go to annotate, tag by category. Selecting the door, it will show number 3. And then if you select the door, actually this is not the type mark. So if you go to the edit family, 1 minute. If you select the tag and you go to the edit family and then select this and you go to edit label, what Revit is showing you is the mark. So we want to apply also the family name and the type name. Okay, so the same. Select label, select here the empty space. We want here the type name. Apply, okay. And then this one, select this, edit label, and we will replace the mark by the family name. Just remove this, apply, okay. Adjust the spacing, and then load into project. Okay. Override the existing version and its parameter values. So this is your customized window and door tag.